Hi there, this is Sandy from Kaleidoscope. I was thinking today about my coding club at the library next week, and I thought that maybe you guys might like to see some fun ways that you can use Scratch to make really neat interactive cards for Mom for Mother's Day. So I put together a couple of little examples for you. This is what I created.
Hi, Mom. I love you so much. We all do. Happy Mother's Day.
So this has a couple of different basic ideas put together in Scratch, starting with the use of different backdrops. In this case, most of them I just pulled right out of what comes with Scratch. To create the one of my family photo, I used the upload backdrop from File and just used one of my photographs from my computer. And then this one, I used the edit tool and actually created my own backdrop using the different tools available in the Scratch editor. For our sprites, our gift code uses some really fun animation. For example, when the sprite is clicked, okay, we play a sound, and then we change the color effect and the size and turn it all 50 times so that it gets nice and big, and then we hide it, switch to our next backdrop, and we use the broadcast feature here. This is a way for one sprite to tell the next sprite to go. So here we have broadcast to scene 2, which brings all of my letters into play. And for the letters, they wait 1 second, and then they play the sound, they show up, and they change size just quickly and switch to a different costume. And costumes are pretty easy to make. I grabbed this sprite out of under our costume library that comes with Scratch. And then all I did for the second one is I used the fill tool right here, this little paint bucket, to color it differently so that it looked different in the script. So it just switches its costume from our light pink, which it starts with, to our dark pink. And then it goes back, and it changes its size back too. Now the only difference in the code between the M, O, and M is just how long it waits. So the first M waits 1 second. Let's see if I can get. The O waits 2 seconds to start. And then the second M waits 3 seconds to start. And the last letter sends a broadcast to go to scene 3, which is our heart. Very simple there. I've made a sound recording, which you can do under sounds. And all you do is hit the microphone there to play a new sound, to record a new sound. Record whatever greeting you want, and the script will play it for you. And then I just did a little beating heart by having the heart change size, wait half a second, and then change back. Very simple. Now you notice for the last bit, I didn't need to send a broadcast. I just changed the backdrop to card, and I hid my little heart, and I played one last final sound. So I put a link to this on the comments so that if you want to go and see inside and remix my code, you are welcome to do that and have some fun making a neat card for your mom. Use a little technology to make something special. Have fun, and I hope to see you at Coding Club next week on May 19th, 2:30 p.m. at the Catherine Dixon Hoffman Library.